You thought it was just a cold, but it's been weeks. And now, the fear kicks in. No one wants to say it out loud, but not knowing is worse than knowing. Meet iCliniq TES, your personal AI-powered support for TB concerns. Whether it's just a cough or confirmed TB, TES gives you clarity. Without the stigma, TB is treatable, but silence can delay healing. Start with TES, personal, instant, and backed by doctors. Tuberculosis. With iCliniq TES, chat instantly, be informed, act early.